Guys, Josh Mundy here, and in this video, I want to talk to you about Clickfunnels and how you can create custom redirect overrides with it. So there's a few different ways to do this, and there's a few different examples that I want to show you here in this video. So right now I am inside my Clickfunnels account, and you can see I am on the one funnel away share funnel that I got when I did the challenge. I use this a lot for my examples because it's just it's a great way to explain everything. So you can see right here, this is the custom link for the first step in this funnel for the squeeze page. Now, if you wanted to actually create your own domain, if you want to buy your own domain, GoDaddy or Namecheap or something like that, you can do so, and then you can actually integrate or link the two together. Now that just takes place under settings, your account settings, and then under domains. You just got to add it in there. It shows you exactly how to add your own domain. So that way, if you went to yourdomain.com and then you wanted this to show up, and then your domain would actually stay in the header. Right, so that's how you would do that. You just hook up your own domain. So it's on the account settings, and then just give it a few seconds here. So under the account settings, and then it is right here under domains. So you just got to click on domains, and then it will load. I have a few different domains hooked up to different funnels, but you just add a new domain, and then it shows you how to set that up and what that process looks like. So I'm gonna go back to my funnel here. So yes, so when you're adding that to your funnel, that's how you would do it. You just add your own domain there. It's very, very simple and easy to understand. So we'll just get back in here. And then the other way to add your own custom redirect is, let's say you wanted to type in that domain, yourdomain.com, but instead of keeping that name up here in the URL bar, and you wanted this to show up, this long form, that's actually going to take place inside of wherever you bought the domain at, whether it be GoDaddy or Namecheap. That's a setting right in there. You just got to copy and paste this URL right into that domain where you bought it. So for GoDaddy, there's a section, you click hey, add a subdomain, and then right there you can copy and paste this link in. So that way, when you go to yourdomain.com or whatever domain you purchase, that this URL right here would show up in the top bar there. So that's a second way to do it. Pretty simple. And the last way to create your own actual redirects. So let's say somebody's on your funnel here. So on the squeeze page, so I'm going to edit the page real quick. And then in the settings, that's actually where it's going to take place, where you can, instead of going to the next step in your funnel, let's say you wanted to push it to an offer or another website, right? Something that you're promoting that you want to collect an email for first. So let's say I was using this to collect an email from somebody and I want to get it now. And instead of submitting the page and taking it to the next step in the funnel, then you go here, we'll go to general, under settings. And then right here, it says on submit, go to, and then you put in the domain you want it to go to. So if there's a really cool tool that you're using that you want to promote to, and you want to enter in that URL there, that's where it would go. So on the submit, it would take you to that next step where, so there's a couple different ways to do that. On the actual button, you could submit to the next page, but doing this actually submits it to when you type it in. So let's say you're an affiliate marketer, right? And you want to collect an email first. So when you're to collect the email and submit the form, you have to put that in here. So it submits the form and it takes you to the next page. So I made the mistake when I first started using ClickFunnels, and I was just editing the button. So instead of just editing the button here and choosing where I want it to go, so you set an action, right? Instead of, so I wouldn't, if I had a, right here, it's saying this doesn't submit the form, right? This is giving me a warning saying it doesn't submit the form. So you don't want to use this option here. You need to hit submit order and submit the form. And then in the settings, it takes you to that next page. And so instead of taking it to the next page in the funnel, so if you're using a bridge page to promote another product, that's how you need to do it. And that's that best way to use a custom redirect. So that way you're still collecting the emails, submitting the forms, and everything's working properly. So I hope that all makes sense. ClickFunnels is a really powerful tool that my wife and I use. We use it to promote our MLMs, MLM that we're a part of, as well as build funnels for a few of our different clients. We have a small agency that we run. So there is going to be a link below where you can start a 14-day free trial. I highly recommend it. ClickFunnels is a very, very powerful tool. And just as a bonus for signing up using my link, I want to give you access to me. So once you sign up, I will personally give you my email so that you can reach out anytime, any questions you have. I want to make sure that those are answered for you, because I want you to be successful with ClickFunnels. There's a lot of money to be made online. and ClickFunnels is a great way to do it. So I want you to be a part of it. So click the link below, sign up for a 14-day trial. And once you do, reach out to me on Facebook. There'll also be a link below to that. Message me saying, hey, I signed up and I want to make sure that you have help. We're going to do whatever it takes to make you successful with ClickFunnels. Now, I am only doing this for the first 50 people that sign up. So if you take action today, sign up for a 14-day trial, you will get that bonus and you'll get access to me. So I hope this video helps, and we'll see you in the next one.